Okay, children, now the poem we are going to see about 5th standard poem, Mother Nature. This is the memory poem. So look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. You know by what is we mean by hospitality? Taking the good care for the guest, whoever coming to your house, we have to show our love and affection to them. With a smiling face, we have to invite them and we have to take care of them and we have to give everything for them with a nice manner. So look at the hospitality, what the Mother Nature gives us. Trees, so many trees are given, so natural things are given. It gives everything to all creatures, even the birds, animals, insects, human beings, everything. It gives everything to the all creation. There are no strangers under the tree. Under the tree, no one is there. Unknown people, yarume illa. No one is there, strangers. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for tree. From the tree, we can get the shadows and even the fruits also. So, if blow hot or none, we can go and sit under the tree near the shadow. It will be very, very pleasant for us. And there is a home for the bird in the tree also. And refreshing place for the herd, Karnadigal, that is cow and then goat, everything while they are go nature ku pogumbodhu. After that, it also take rest under the tree, shadow of the trees. And that's a home for the bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. This hospitality is our culture. This virtue, the high moral behavior. This is a good moral behavior. அதாவது யார் நம்ம இதுக்கு வந்தாலும் நம்மளை ஒரு அன்பாக உபசரித்து விருந்தோம்பல் பண்ணுறோம் லைக் தட் திஸ் ட்ரீ இஸ் ஆல்சோ கிவிங் த a shelter place for all the creatures. This virtue, this hospitality is our culture, நம்மளுடைய பாரம்பரியம், and follow it in your future. We must also follow this in the future also. Whoever comes to your house, we must receive them and greet them. Wherever they come, wherever we meet, we have to receive them with a smile, pleasant smile. Always welcome with a smiling face. Wins the hearts in life race. So in the life race, life is a race. So if you are in a smiling face, our heart is filled, our heart can win everybody's. Fortune knocks with its best. Fortune means adishtam. Ellarkume it knocks its best. Those who care for their guests. Yaar and the guest நம்ம ரொம்ப இது பண்ணமோ அவங்களுக்கு அதிர்ஷ்டம் will fortune will knock its best. So this is the poem for you. So I'll write here page number 82. So you can memorize this memory poem. Look at the hospitality. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. Mother Nature. It gives everything. It gives everything to all creature. To all creature. There are no strangers. There are no strangers. So, yarume unknown people kadiyadu under the tree. Enjoy the shadows. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. So it won't getting any cost, only free. There is a home for a bird. There is a home for bird. So bird also come and take rest in the tree and refreshing place for the herd. Okay, now this virtue is our culture. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcoming. Welcome with smiling face. Okay. wins the heart in life race. Wins the heart in life's race. Those who care for their guest. Those who care for the guest. Fortune knocks with its best. Fortune knocks with its best. Those who care for their guest. Those who care for their guest. So this is the poem. You have to memorize, memory poem this. So memorize this one. And then the glossary meanings is glossary they are given. Hospitality. Hospitality means what? Taking good care. Of the guest and visitors. Okay. Then strangers. What do you mean by the strangers? Unknown people. Unknown people. Then refreshing. Renewing. Virtue. High moral behavior. High moral behavior. Culture. Culture. The habits and customs of particular பழக்கவழக்கங்கள் சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, habits and customs of a particular society. Each one is having the different way of culture. So in society, those who follows in a different way, that's the culture. Fortune, that is good luck. We say no, fortune, this is the luck. So memorize this poem, children, and learn this. All the 8 lines or 10 lines, how many lines you are having, you have to memorize this poem. And now we'll see the fill in the blanks, maths are following, question answers, everything is here. Now write the rhyming words. Yeah. Write the rhyming words. So already you learned this one. At the end of the poem line, we'll see these words. Nature, creature. Okay children, I'll write this. Will you find out the answer and write? Tree. I have written the poem, so you can write the answer. Bird, herd, face, race, culture. So I have written the poem. So see the poem and complete this answer. Then fill in the blanks. You fill in the blanks. Mother Nature gives us everything for all creature. Mother Nature gives everything. gives everything for all creatures. Okay. Then fruits and shadows are free under the dash. Fruits and shadows are free under the tree. Everything is in the poem itself, children. Then dash is our culture. Virtue. Virtue is our culture. The next one, fourth one is fortune knocks with its best. With its best. Who care for their guest. Welcome guest. So, every welcome the guest to win everyone's hearts in life's race. Okay. So, this is the meaning and the fill in the blanks. So, learn this and complete this rhyming words by yourself, children. See the poem and complete this. Now, we will move on to the answer the following. Now, same page only, answer the following question. Answer the following. Okay. Whose hospitality is described in the poem? Whose hospitality? Yaruடைய hospitality is described. Whose hospitality is described in the poem? Mother Nature's. What is that? Mother Nature's hospitality. Reminding us in the question itself, you are having hospitality is described. Described in the poem. Okay. Now the next one. What are the things given by the tree? What are the things given by the tree? What are the things given by the tree? Answer is fruits and shadow. Fruits and shadow. Then home for birds. Home for birds. And then refreshing place for the herd. Refreshing place for the herd. Okay. Now, what wins the heart? What wins the heart? Answer is smiling face. Smiling face wins the heart. Then fourth one, who will be the fortunate? Who will be the fortunate? Who will be the fortunate? Who will be the fortunate here in this? Those who wins everyone's heart. Those who wins everyone's heart. Will be the fortunate. The last one, fifth one. So 5 questions only. So learn properly, children. How will you treat your guest? How will you treat your guest? It is with a smiling face. With your smiling face, I will treat my guest. Okay, that's all 7. So learn the poem, memorize this poem. Then all the 16 lines is there, meanings, rhyming words, fill in the blanks and answer the following question. Everything is there. And at the back we have got some of the grammar exercises. These exercises we will see it in the next class. One more, children. We will continue this. Only one exercise is there. We will continue this. I thought. Now here in this the present participle, past participle and present tense, past tense, present participle and past participle. So in this present perfect tense is used to show that an event has happened in the past in the present sequences. For example, if I, you, we, they vandaka, you have to use have. Okay, I, you, we, they. For this vandaka, you have to use have. He, she, it. Idu vandaka neenga has use pannanum. Okay, so how to write these sentences in the exercises that they are given. So just we will go through this. Here they are given to choose the correct verb form to the following sentences. In page number 84, they are given page number 84. Some of the sentences, choose the correct verb. Choose the correct verb. So they are given like this. Choose the correct verb. Form the following sentences. Following sentences. So this is so here the 10 sentences they are given. I dash Taj Mahal. I dash the Taj Mahal. So here they are given, have visited, has visited. So you can write, I have visited. I have visited the Taj Mahal. Then second one, we dash the animal. We have caught. We have caught the animal in our trap. We have caught the animal in our trap. Then third one, have caught, has caught. Have caught, has caught. Okay. Then third one is, you dash a beautiful painting. You have made. You have made a beautiful painting. So, have made. So, they are given the options. has made. So you have to choose. You want the have put. Then they dash in yellow color. They have dressed. They have dressed. Yes. Dressed in yellow color. So this is it. Have dressed. So inga vandu have dressed alladhu has dressed. So you can write which one is correct. Then fifth one, he dash house in America. He has bought a house. Bought a house in America. Has bought. Have bought. Then the last, she has written her exam. She has written her exam. Have written, has written. That's all. One more. So think and write whether you have to put has or have. It dash the bus stop. So it vanda kaina varno has tavarno. It has left the bus stop. So it vanda kaina padano. You have to write have left, has left, has padano. This is it. So read this and all this grammar page number 84, and I will continue this in the next class. Thank you.